Yes, good morning. My name is Abhijit Kosurkar. I have done MTech in Water and Land Management from Civil Department. Now let us see the redraw figure, and I will teach you how to draw the redraw figure with my proper channel. Now we will draw the redraw figure from this given sketch. If you see here, there are two lines A and B. The angle between these two lines is 80, that we can check with the help of the protractor. So the angle between these two lines is given as 80. So already I have drawn the two lines of angle between these two lines is 80. So this is the line A and another is line B, which I have drawn already over here. The angle between these two lines is 80. If we see here, there are three circles given over here. So the first circle at the bottom, the inner circle is of radius 10, the outer circle is of radius 20. Same circles are drawn over here at a distance of 100. That is, inner circle is of radius 10 and the outer circle is of radius 20. And over here, if you see, they have given the radius of inner circle is as 15 and the outer circle radius is as 25. So let us draw the first circle of radius 10 at over here and another at this point. Now I have drawn the circle as shown in this figure, that is radius 10. So this is the circle I have drawn of radius 10. Now if you see here, the distance between these two circles is given 100. So I will mark the point over 100 and I will draw the another circle here. So after marking the point, I have taken the radius as 10 and I will draw the another circle over here. Yes, I have drawn the circle. Now if you'll see the another circle, they have shown of radius 20. The outer radius is given as 20. Now I will draw the outer radius of circle, that is given as 20. So I have taken the readings over here as 20. Then I will draw the circle of outer circle. I will draw first of all up till this point to this another point. So I will draw from here till another line. So this is the outer line I will draw here now. Similarly, at this point again I will draw the outer circle of radius 20 again. Yes, now in the sketch if you will see, the straight line is joining the outer circle of these 2 points, one at the bottom and another over here. So this is, they are joined with a straight line. So I will join these two circles with a straight line. Next, if you'll see here, the thickness of these two and the thickness over here and the thickness over here are particularly same in these 3 points. One over here, another over here, and another over here. So what is thickness that we can find out now here? Now here they are given the radius as 105 and here they are given the radius as 120. If you subtract 120 minus 105, the distance between these two lines will be 15. So here also we can keep the distance as 15, and at the same time we can keep the distance at this place also as 15. So now I will take the offset and or I will draw a parallel line to this line at a distance of 15. Yes, now I am drawing the thick line over here, that is parallel line at a distance of 15. I have taken 15 from this point, another this point, and I am drawing the line this is a straight line which I have drawn, that is a line of over here. So next, again just I will join the lines and the circle over here. Just I am joining the lines and the circle. Similarly at this point also, just I will make the marking, and up till this point I can draw the circle. Next, now further if you see here, if you want to proceed further, how to draw the circle over here? Now they have given the radius as 110. That means from this point we have to take radius as 110 and we have to give a dotted line and come till this point A, or a center line A over here. So I will take radius as 110 and I will come at this point. Yes, I have taken the distance as 110 over here on this compass, and I will just draw the dotted line as shown in this sketch till this center line of A. So I have drawn the dotted line as shown in this figure. Now if you'll see at this point, the circle drawn over here is having a radius of 15. So from this point again I will take 15 as this point. So this is the point over here. I will just mark it. So from this point I have taken the marking over here, that is from this point it is given as a radius 15. So I have dropped down here and I have taken the 15 distance and I got the point here. Now let us draw the circle of radius 15. Now I have taken the distance of 15 over here on this compass, and I will draw the circle of radius 15. Next, if you see in this sketch, that the outer radius is given as 25. So up till this point I will draw the outer radius as 25. Now I have taken the radius as 25. Then I will draw the outer circle. Yes, now I have taken the radius as 120 as shown in figure. From this point to topmost part of this arc, which is having a radius of 120. So I will take the distance as 120. Now from this point, if you can see here, they have given the radius as 120. It is starting from this point and it is coming at this point A. So this is the point which I am drawing here. Similarly, now I will draw the inner circle which is having a radius of 105. Yes, I have taken the radius as 105 over here. Now I will just draw the inner circle from this point to this end. So let us draw first of all. So I have drawn the inner circle. Just I will complete this sketch over here. Now if you want to draw the arc over here, I will start the point from this point here, which I have got already here. So this is the one point. Another point is just near to this line. So just near to this line I have taken this point. The distance for this arc is given as R10, R90, and if you add 15 over here, it will become R105. So from this point and this point, I will get the intersection point over here. So I have got the point of these two. I have got the single point of these 2 points, that is intersection point over here. So from this point, radius I have taken as 105, and I have drawn the arc over here. Again, the thickness of this place is again 15, so again I will take the radius as 90. So from the same point I will draw this arc up till this point. Now just I'll complete the arc which is not being. Now just I will draw the arc over here. Just I'll complete the sketch. So by this way we have completed the sketch as shown in this figure. Now just I will label the parts and then you can check all the points which I have already drawn over here. Now let us give the dimensions over here. Now if you see the top, they have given that is R105. So I will write down the radius as R105. 105. Next they are given it as R120. So up till this point it is R20. Next they are given it as R10, R110. R110. Next R10 over here. This is R10. This point is R20. The distance is given as 100. This diameter they have given as 20, R20. This is R10. Next they have given the radius over here, that is R90. Again we can give the radius as R15. Next they are given as R25, the outer circle. So this I have drawn the circle and the redraw figure over here, which is shown in this sketch. Thank you.